Let's go, boys, let's go! Load up the thing, bro.
The customer is here.
Behind me we've got Brahim, he's doing a decaps and a back box on this Aventador. It's gonna sound crazy, flames, everything. Watch the space.
I feel it. The car speaks to me. So we're taking this off so we can get to the other bolts on the bumper that hold it down to the frame. So the reason we're taking this grill out is because there's some more hidden bolts behind this frame. And once we remove this frame, then there's going to be more bolts that's holding the bumper onto the chassis. Oh, you see? These bolts we're removing from this housing. This is the grill housing. So we can get to the other hidden bolts that's on the bumper. So always keep the parts together so that when you build it back, then it's easier to fix. You don't have to go looking around for parts, mixing and matching. See, it's getting loose now. So there's a bolt right here, and once I remove it, the bumper should be free from the sides. See? See? Bumper's free on this side. Now we need to do the same on the other side. Come on.
The leg comes off and there's just screws in there and then the whole thing's like that.
Bruce!
Yeah.
That's our master tech.
It's a master?
Master technician. These clips, they always break when you press them because it's around the exhaust and there's a lot of heat. So what I normally do is I put a screwdriver just right there and I lift the tab and pull it back. That way we don't break the clip. So just flat screwdriver, lift up that tab and pull it out. That's it, no broken clip. Some tape here so we don't scratch it when we're removing it. Sometimes the bumper rests on the rear quarter and might scratch the body panel. So right now what I'm doing is I'm disconnecting the wiring harness from the bumper. So this is the wiring harness from the bumper. These connections connect to the car's wiring harness. So what these are in control of are your number plate lights, your parking sensors, and your rear reverse camera. So this is the back box, the exhaust. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing this and we're going to be changing it with an aftermarket one which is more loud. This is for the rear spoiler. This wire is for the motor. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the bolts for the heat shield from the exhaust that's connected to the crash bar. So in the event of an accident where someone hits you from the back, this crash bar will protect you. So we finally removed the crash bar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the rear spoiler, so it gives us more access to work, a more easy environment, can work more neat. This connector here is for the rear brake light, the third brake light. It's not that heavy, very light. This is the heat shield for the exhaust. Protects the bumper and the other surroundings from the heat, because you know the exhaust gets really hot, like fire. So this will protect it from melting the bumper and other components on the car. This is my Lamborghini bag. It's my heat shield for the exhaust. I'm about to remove it and see the factory exhaust on this car. Let's have a look. I love cars and I like fixing cars. It's sad, man. Oh! This is the original exhaust. Look, Lamborghini. I don't know, roughly it's around 20-30 kilos. So that puts a lot of weight on the car as well, but the one that we're going to be installing is going to be lightweight. The catalytic converter, have a look. So this is the factory exhaust, and the one that we're going to be installing has none, straight through. The original exhaust, and it has the catalytic converters inside. The one that we're putting are straight pipe, so they don't have any catalytic converters. It's going to make it a lot louder, and there should be flames coming from the exhaust as well. I'm going to see fire. So this is the firing order: 1, 12, 4, 9, 2, 11, 6, 7, 3, 10, 5, 8. The exhaust gasket, I'm going to be fitting it now.
Straight away, I don't want no time waste, nothing, yeah? I want this done before.
See how hard it is. Bonsoir.
So these are the clamps for the exhaust, and this is the gasket, and what we're going to do is I'm going to put it inside before I put it on the exhaust, so it's easier to install.
Interesting. Just when you overthink in life, the time goes really fast. Just get it in and crack on with it. Do you know what I mean? Like, get it in and see if it fits in and anything. If you keep looking at it, nothing's gonna happen. You're just thinking.
I'm gonna tighten it so then it doesn't fall off, so when we do the other side. So now we have the top gasket in with the clamp. I'm just tightening it up a little bit so it doesn't fall out when I do the bottom one. So what I normally do is I put the top clamp with the gasket on first, and then I move over to the bottom because it just makes it easier. Don't put push up. So the purpose of this is so it doesn't melt any other components around. Yeah. So what this will do is scoop air, bring it up to the exhaust to cool the exhaust. See? So while you're driving, on the undercover there's slits. This will guide the air into here and then up into the exhaust to cool it. Alright. Yeah. Load up the thing, bro. Load up the thing.
Why so hurry?
Because we need to get it done for the customer.
Sounds amazing, man.
It sounds alright.
Now what we're gonna do is now, man. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you to shut up. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Bruce came from one of these Texas freaking farms, bro. You know what I'm saying, man?
You know what I'm saying, man?
Howdy, partner.
I'm gonna tell you to shut up.
Dude, shut up.
I ain't a flat screwdriver, man. Gee.
Why are you all the time so happy? What did you smoke? What did you drink?
The fumes from the exhaust.
Amino acids, that's it. Amino
The fumes from the exhaust were high of that. Carbon dioxide in my lungs.
Nah, that's right. These rubbers are quite
The
solid.
screwdriver's too long, mate.
Hold up, please. Thank you.
If anyone says anything in the comments,
.425. The client is coming here at 5:00. The boys are working. The boss looks relaxed. Be stressed?
No, never. I just need more action. Let's go, boys. Let's go. So we had a problem with the mirrors. The wiring was damaged, and we had to figure that out. Fixed it. Now we're just checking how it works. Folding. Voila.
6.
We ran out of time. Clip is missing. That's why.
That's what she said.
yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Tell me how you feel with it. You put a lid on it. I ain't got no chill with it. This right here your problem.
I need the bolts for the spoiler, please. Half an hour.
We need a T45. Okay, got Trinco. Bumper back on.
15?
Been way down, never fall. Came with the hands out, get them off us. I'm 24/7 in the office. Pay attention cause I ain't repeating offers. Yeah, never met a man I've been scared of. Careful, you gon' get exactly what you want.
A few hours later.
I think I'm on Red Bull number 6.
Thank you. Appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
The customer is here, the client is there after that door, and they didn't finish. They're still working very hard. It's like Formula 1. I never seen something in my entire life. So fast, so good. And look at them, they're so relaxed. I mean, I'm stressed and I'm filming this, and look at him.
Because nothing gets done. So I need to keep that pumping, man. That happiness, motivation. Come on, man. Straight.
I see you're watching me from your little phone. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below.